welcome to my channel and welcome to an Indian wear haul. So guys, festive season is on the way, so that's why I thought let's shop for Indian wear items. So that's why I got all of these items from Flipkart, and Flipkart is like my one-stop destination for all of my Indian wear needs, whether I'm looking for daily wear, wedding, party or festive wear. And this festive season, Flipkart is my one-stop destination for all of my festive wear needs. And also Flipkart has 5 lakh plus great quality and trendy sarees and suits just below rupees 500, so you can never go out of style with these budget friendly buys. And also guys, on Flipkart you can shop in your favorite regional language. So yeah guys, without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So the first kurti which I got from Flipkart is this one. This is how it looks like, and it's in pretty blue color. Just look at this blue color. Oh my god, it's really looking very nice. And also guys, talking about the material इसका बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. It's like pure cotton material. And also guys, talking about the neck, this is how the neck looks like. बहुत अच्छी नेक है इसकी. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, इसकी स्लीव जो है वो 3/4 है, एंड आई रियली लव 3/4 स्लीव्स इन कुर्ती. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिट ऑफ दिस कुर्ती, इट्स अ स्ट्रेट फिट कुर्ती. मैंने इसको एक्सेस में लिया है. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्राइस, मैंने इसको फ्लिपकार्ट से 474 रुपीज में लिया है. जस्ट इमेजिन गाइज, it's below 500 and the material of this one is so damn good. I think you should definitely purchase this one. And इसके साथ सिल्वर ज्वेलरी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी. If you will pair some silver jhumkas like this one, it will look really nice on this. And I wore this on Ganpati Puja and it was looking so damn pretty. I really loved this kurti. So yeah guys, I'll mention all the links of these kurtis in the description box below. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. Also on Flipkart, you can find great quality selection of latest sarees and suits ranging from just rupees 199 up to rupees 10,000 plus. Sorry guys, battery got over. So the next kurti which I got from Flipkart is this one. This is in pretty pink color. I'm really loving this color. Just look at it. Oh my god, it's so nice and so pretty. So this is the kurti which I got from Flipkart and it is from the brand Stylum. So basically guys, when I was checking on Flipkart, Stylum के मेरे को कुर्तीज बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे. क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है उनका, प्लस they are very affordable. So I will highly recommend you guys to check out this particular brand on Flipkart. बहुत अच्छे मेरे को कुर्तीज लगे इसके. So talking about the neck, इसका जो neck है वो round neck है and there is this cut in between. I really love this kind of neck in kurtis especially. And talking about the sleeves, इसकी calf sleeves हैं. And this is like a straight fit kurti. बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लगती है मेरे को straight fit kurtis, and you can easily wear it in some festive season or it is very good for office wear or college wear also. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रिंट, इसमें से व्हाइट कलर की स्ट्राइप डिटेलिंग दी हुई है. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी एंड क्यूट लग रही है ये. एंड या दिस वाज द सेकंड कुर्ती विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट. आई रियली लव्ड इट एंड आई ऑल्सो टेल यू अबाउट द प्राइस. सो आई गॉट दिस कुर्ती इन जस्ट रुपीज 339 फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट. इसका MRP 1699 है, बट मेरे को सिर्फ और सिर्फ 339 में मिला. Can you believe it guys? Like, it's unbelievable. I think it's 80% off around. So yeah guys, this was the second kurti which I got from Flipkart. I think you should definitely check out this one. इसका material बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I think cotton material है. So I think you should definitely check out this one. So the next kurti which I got from Flipkart is this one. Can you look at this pretty wine color? Oh my god, it's really pretty. And इसके ऊपर ऐसे golden detailing दी हुई है flowers की, वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है. And this color and this golden detailing on this kurti is giving like a very royal look. So I think it's definitely perfect for festive wear. And just look at this one. This is how it looks like. इसमें ऐसे फ्रंट में गोटा डिटेलिंग भी दी हुई है एंड इसमें गोल्डन कलर के ऐसे बटन्स भी हैं. So I think it's definitely giving a festive vibe. It's very lightweight but it's giving a very royal finish. And also guys, talking about the neck, इसका neck जो है वो round neck है and इसके फ्रंट में ऐसे गोटा डिटेलिंग दी हुई है which I told you earlier. And talking about this flower detailing, ये पूरी कुर्ती में है flower detailing and it's looking very nice. And it's a straight fit kurti and ऐसे ही पूरी बैक में भी है. So it's looking very pretty. And also guys, talking about the sleeves, इसकी 3/4 sleeves है and sleeves में भी ऐसे ये वाला गोटा डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है गोल्डन कलर का. and I think it's perfect for festive wear. And also guys, I got this from Flipkart in just rupees 401. Yeah guys, and also it's from the same brand Stylum, so I think you should definitely check out this brand on Flipkart. काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा collection है इनका and बहुत अच्छे price में मिल जाएगा. And also guys, talking about the material is very nice. It's very comfortable to wear and it's very breathable. So I think you should definitely check out this kurti on Flipkart. I'll mention the link in the description box below. So the next kurti which I got from Flipkart is this one. Can you look at this sky blue color? This is looking so cute, and you know, I'm really loving this combination of white and sky blue. So yeah, I'll show you the kurti once. This is how it looks like. It's sleeveless, and talking about the neck, इसका round neck है, and this is how it looks like. I think इसको ये जो print है इसको लहरिया बोलते हैं. I'm not really sure, but I think इसको लहरिया बोलते हैं. And yeah guys, इसमें ऐसे stripe detailing दी हुई है, basically blue and white color की. So yeah, it's looking so cute, and I'll tell you the price. It's so affordable guys. So I got this from Flipkart in just rupees 269. इस पर 70% off था. And talking about the material is so nice and comfortable to wear. I think you should definitely check out this kurti. It's looking so cute. आप इसको normal jeans के साथ भी pair कर सकते हैं and बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा ये. So yeah guys, this was the next kurti which I got from Flipkart. And guys, you never need to worry about a wrong buy on Flipkart, as Flipkart has easy exchange, return and refund policy. This is the next kurti which I got from Flipkart. It's in white color and इसमें black color की ऐसे detailing दी हुई है. In complete kurti, this is how it looks like. बहुत ज़्यादा cute लग रही है. And also guys, talking about the neck, इसका round neck है and sleeves जो है इसकी 3/4 sleeves है. And you know, it's a straight fit kurti. And talking about the material is so soft and बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है ये. I just got it in just rupees 254 from Flipkart and मैंने इसको साइज S में लिया था. And this is from the brand Surhi. ये brand available है Flipkart पे. And check out this brand guys. अगर आपको काफ़ी affordable stuff मिल जाएगा from this brand. This is available on Flipkart. I think you should definitely check out. So yeah guys, this was the next kurti which I got. Is you can wear this kurti as like office wear or college wear. काफ़ी ज़्यादा cute लगेगा and I think you should definitely check it out. So this is the next kurti which I got from Flipkart. Yes guys, the one which I'm wearing right now. It's so pretty kurti. It's basically a chikankari kurti. And guys, if you're looking for perfect white chikankari kurti, then I think you should definitely check out this one. It's so nice. It's so comfortable to wear. It's a straight fit kurti और जो इसका material है वो pure cotton है. And just look at this embroidery. Oh my god. It's looking so damn pretty. I think you should definitely check out this kurti if you really like chikankari kurtis. I'll mention the link in the description box below. So the next kurti which I got from Flipkart is this one. This is how it looks like. It's in green color. I think ये कैमरा पे थोड़ा blue लग रहा है, but it's in green color and this is how it looks like. बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट लग रही है मेरे को ये कुर्ती। एंड यू नो दिस इज हाउ द नेक लुक्स लाइक। इसमें भी यू नो राउंड नेक है एंड ऐसे बीच में कट दिया हुआ है एंड इसकी स्लीव जो है वो 3/4 है। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिटेलिंग, इसमें व्हाइट कलर की ऐसे स्ट्राइप्स दी हुई हैं एंड ऑल्सो गाइज इसमें ना सिल्वर कलर की ऐसे गोटा वाला डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है विच इज लुकिंग सो नाइस एंड इट्स गिविंग अ वेरी रॉयल लुक टू द कुर्ती। सो दिस इज हाउ द गोटा डिटेलिंग लुक्स लाइक। एंड ऑल्सो गाइज ये पूरा एंड तक ऐसे गोटा वाला सिल्वर गोटा का डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है विच इज लुकिंग क्वाइट क्यूट। सो या गाइज इट्स अ स्ट्रेट फिट कुर्ती एंड मैंने इसको साइज S में लिया था and this is from the brand Varanga. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is available on Flipkart, so yeah, check it out. So these were all the kurtis which I got from Flipkart. I'll mention all the links in the description box below. So definitely check it out. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.